Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is terrible. Got a McDonald's going across the river 9 miles. Like, why are you ordering from over here? There's a McDonald's every other corner, basically.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Alright, sorry about the wait. There you go.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $11. Okay, not terrible, I guess. Well, it'd be a lot better if I didn't have to travel all the way back. So I guess it is pretty terrible. Ooh, a customer added $2 extra. Okay, so that's 13. Better, still not great. Oh, just got a McDonald's. $10 going 3 miles. See, there's a McDonald's even closer. Like, what are we doing, guy? It's like really hard to see, by the way. I'll show you guys in a second. So it's that on top of already not knowing where I'm going, since I'm not used to this area.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Thank you. I just read their delivery instructions. Let me drop this off, or figure out where to drop this off, and then I'll let you guys know what it says, because I'm kind of blind right now. Okay, first of all, that was all base pay. Cringe. Second of all, let me start heading home, because this actually took me closer to the bridge, which is a good thing. And third of all, their drop-off notes said, please leave by the front door, don't knock, doing the hanky-panky. Okay. All right, buddy. You do that. Got this order bringing me back into my zone. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 4 miles.
Thank you. Have a good morning.
You too. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is going right back across the river. Just going back and forth, back and forth. This one is a Panera, $10 going 5 miles. Got this next order heading back into my zone again. This is Don Pedro going 5.5 miles. Thank you. You too. And that's a no tip. Total for that one was $5 and change. Got this as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it said $10 going 4 miles, 3 items. Next up, got a Voodoo Donut, $7 going 2.5 miles.
Oh, thank you.
Sure.
Pretty good.
Oh, thanks for stopping. I do appreciate it.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Seize the Bagel, $7 going 3 miles. Just got an add-on order. This is a Wendy's, $7 going an extra 2 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, thank you for choosing Wendy's. What can I serve for you?
Hello.
So I'm gonna park you right by the bush, okay? I'm waiting on your fries to come up.
Okay.
Just by the little bush, right by my door. Thank you.
We love Wendy's. Oh, and they just try to give me a really good order. Pete's Coffee, $12 going 4 miles. If only I could take it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. They just tried to give me another really good order. Burger King, $11 going 6 miles. Unfortunately, I'm still stuck with these 2 orders. Why is there $4 peak pay on right now? I think I forgot to mention, but today is Valentine's Day. So maybe they're just trying to get people on the road to accept these really, really bad shopping orders, which I've had to dodge 3 times now. I unassigned 3 shopping orders because they wanted flowers and a bunch of other stuff. I don't know. Mostly, if I see flowers, I'm unassigning it today. Either way, I got the next order. This is a stack going to the same person. This is Los Bros Taco Shop and Black Rock Coffee, $11 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Careful with that, it's kind of flimsy.
All right, thank you much.
Yep. Have a good day. Next up is a stack going to the same person. This is La Provence and Starbucks. I think it said it was like $9 going 4 miles. Morning, Clint. Thank you. Thank you. Oh boy. Grubhub has got to chill. This is the 3rd time now. They try to give me a really, really good order while I'm already on an assignment. They just try to give me an order for this place, actually. $14 going 4 miles. That's crazy. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $8 going 3.5 miles. Just got here and they gave me an add-on. This is $7 going an extra 2 miles. And now I'm just getting spammed by shopping orders, which I'm declining all of them now because I know what they're going to be. They're all going to be just a bunch of junk that's not going to be in stock. And I think I'm going to start heading home. So if I don't get a good order, I'm just going to call it. Current time is 9:45. Current total is, I actually don't know. For some reason, all my apps are being weird right now. So I'll just throw up the final total whenever that comes in. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.